you are familiar with O3 importing, or if you have heard about importing data into O3 in the past, you may have thought this process can't get any easier. Well, I'm here to tell you why you are wrong. Today I'm going to review a few tips related to importing data into O3 that can turn an O3 novice into an expert in managing data. But before we get into that, let's review why you would import data into O3. Some data may originate outside of O3, such as scheduling data that is helpful to work-phase planning. So to keep this data current in O3, you would set up an import. Or you may need to update a large set of data for any number of reasons, such as assign a list of work packs to a new planner. Well, you can easily download the list of work packs that need to be updated and import the new user as the planner via import. Or maybe you have a planner, we'll call him Nick Maloof, that is slacking off and not closing constraints. You can quickly close a list of constraints via imports. Whatever the reason you may have to import data, you can do this manually in O3 or using API calls. So what are the new features? First is the data requirements section found under tools. In data requirements, you can look up any import type available in O3 and see every field that is available to update. You will also see the data type that is required for each field, as well as what is system required, recommended by O3, or just optional. You can download this as an Excel file to share with other users, or even create an import template with the selected fields to make sure you don't mistype anything. And it is in CSV format, so it is ready to import into O3 as soon as you add the necessary data. The second feature is called Data Deliverables and is found under Project Information. We know that in most cases, the data you need to import into O3 does not come in the format O3 requires. This means that every time you get a file from your source data, you'll need to change the headers to match what is in O3, or even make some minor changes to the data to line up with lookup field. Well, with Data Deliverables, you can configure this mapping once with regular expressions and be done with it. If you are saying to yourself, what is a regular expression? Well, don't worry. O3 is happy to help set these up for you. But if you're feeling up to getting this done on your own, and not just another Nick Maloof, we have a detailed help document available right from the data deliverable screen. Plus, these data deliverables can be used via API calls. This means you won't have to wait for development to make changes to any integrations running via APIs. So to sum up, data requirements is a quick way to get answers about fields available to import and create an import template right from O3. And Data Deliverables allows you to map it once and move on. To learn more, visit our website at www.o3.solutions.